Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to look at how to connect two laptops using an Ethernet cable to share a common folder. So this is the Ethernet cable. So we are going to connect it to the two PC. So this is the first PC. You connect it to the Ethernet slot. Then the second PC to connect it. So after connection, you can see that the light will be blinking at the Ethernet cable. So on the first PC, you will go to control panel. Then in control panel, we will go to network and internet, and then network and sharing center. Then you will go to change advanced sharing settings. So here you make sure you turn on network discovery, and then you turn on file and printer sharing, and then lastly you turn off the password protection sharing, and then you save changes. But it's already done. So once you do it, you save changes, and then it will go. So from here, you come to the Ethernet over here, then go to properties, then you navigate to Internet Protocol version 4, the TCP/IPv4. You double click. So this is where we assign the IP address to the first PC. So in this case, we are going to use an IP address 192.168.1.1. Then automatically it will assign a subnet mask to it as 255.255.255.0. Then the default gateway should be 192.168.1.2. Then we will leave the DNS server address, we will leave it blank. Then you click OK. Then you close it. So in the second PC, you are going to do the same thing to it. So you go to control panel, and the same place to network and internet, and to network and sharing center, then change advanced sharing settings. So here too, the network discovery should be on, file and printer sharing should be on, and then the password protected sharing should be off. So this one too is done. Then we go to the Ethernet, then properties, then we select the Internet Protocol version 4. Here too, in the first PC, the IP address was 192.168.1.1, but then we'll change it as 192.168.1.2, and it also assigns an automatic subnet mask. Then the default gateway should be 192.168.1.1. Then also leave the DNS server also blank. Then okay, then we close this one. So now we've established the connection between the two laptops. So I have a folder created on the desktop called network, and so it's currently empty. It's empty. So you want to share this folder on the network that we've created. So you right click on the folder you want to share, you go to show more options, then give access to specific people. Okay, show more options, give access to specific people, Then you come here, select everyone, then we add, then at here you would select read/write, then you share. So now we shared the folder on the network, and this is the location of the shared folder. So in the first PC, this is what you type in the File Explorer to locate the folder. Okay, so in the first PC, you go to File Explorer, then at the quick access area, you are going to search the name of the folder created. So focus was focus /users /del /desktop /network. So automatically the shared folder has appeared, which is the last one. So we open it, so we realize that it's empty, there is nothing on it. So let's go to the second PC and then share some files and see whether it will appear on the first PC. So in the second PC, let's share some videos and some 2 videos to the folder created. So okay, we've shared it. Let's add another one. Okay, so let's go to the first PC and locate the shared file. So in the first PC, we can see the shared files located here. So let's open the video. You can see the video.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to find.
Okay, so now we've established a correct connection using an Ethernet cable to share folder, then also transfer files to it. So up next will be a connection using without Ethernet cable. So we are going to disconnect the Ethernet cable and still share files through the folder created and see how it will work. Let's disconnect the Ethernet cable from the PC. So in the first PC, you will go to settings. You will go to settings and then you will go to network and internet. Then from here you go to mobile hotspot. You will turn mobile hotspot on. Then this is the name of the laptop as PC1, and then this is the password. So on the second PC, you locate the name of the PC and then the password to get the connection, the wireless connection. So on the second PC, you go to the taskbar and then come to available networks. Then you wait for the PC. So this is the hotspot for the first PC. So you connect, then input the password for it. This is the password. Okay, so we've connected the two laptop wirelessly. So in the shared folder, let's share another file, and then let's see whether we can see it in the first PC. So let's add another video to it. So let's add another video. Okay, so let's go to the first PC and then check whether we can find the video in it. So in the first PC, we can find the third video from here, which is the shared one we recently added. So
In this video,
this is it. So we now have 3 videos in the shared
In this video, we're gonna-
folder. So thank you for watching. Then don't forget to share and like, and leave a comment if you want any information about it. Thank you.